If you're running a D2C brand and you're shopping for a mobile app builder, the options will feel overwhelming. Every tool promises higher conversions, better engagement, and more revenue. And why shouldn't they? That's why you're launching a mobile app. But it makes it hard to separate all the different tools available. We've been in the app space for over 10 years, launching more than 2,000 mobile apps in that time. And here are 3 things that you should look for in your mobile app builder. First, does your app match your website? You spent years dialing back the product pages and checkout and homepage experience. That's your competitive edge. And a lot of app builders make you rebuild all of that inside their platform. Templates make your app look like every other shopping app out there, and your unique brand is no longer so unique. You want to look for something that can actually replicate what you've built for the web. Second, can you bring all the features from your website to the app? If you're like most D2C brands, you rely a lot on different tools. Klaviyo for marketing automation, Recharge for subscriptions, maybe Yotpo or Stampede for reviews, a loyalty program, custom checkout scripts. In an ideal world, this will all work in your app too. But a lot of app builders work by pulling your product data through an API and rendering it on their own templates. That means a lot of your website features don't carry over to the app. The app builder will have integrations for some of your tools, but not all of them. The result, your app could be missing a lot of punch compared to your site. Third, how much work is it to build and maintain your app? Many tools are DIY. Build it yourself, run it yourself, and on top of all of that, the app exists as a separate system to your website. Keeping it up to date means doubling all the work you spend on your website. It doesn't seem like much until you realize that you have to make every update twice, one for your website and once for your app. The wrong app builder can turn your app into a new full-time job. MobiLoud checks all 3 of these boxes. Your app mirrors your website exactly, carrying over all of your site's integrations with every product, every page, and every promo, always in sync. It's minimal work to manage because every update to your site goes live in the app automatically. And MobiLoud's team handles everything for you. There's virtually no overhead and 0 risk, only upside. If you want to see what your brand's app can look like, head over to mobiloud.com and get a free consultation today.